Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to unlock the Cash App Borrow feature and what you need to know before using it. The Borrow option allows some Cash App users to take a small loan directly through the app, but it's not available to everyone, and it depends on eligibility factors. To check if you have the feature, open your Cash App and tap the Money tab on the bottom left. Then, look for the option labeled Borrow. If you see it, tap on it and Cash App will tell you how much you're eligible to borrow. If you don't see the option, it means your account doesn't qualify yet. Now, eligibility depends on a few things. You need to be an active Cash App user with regular transactions, and in many cases, you also need to have direct deposits set up. Cash App looks at your account history, how much money comes in, and your overall usage. If your account is fairly new or you haven't used direct deposit, you might not see the Borrow feature. To increase your chances of unlocking it, make sure you verify your identity on Cash App, link your bank account, and enable direct deposit for your paycheck or benefits. Use the app regularly to send, receive, and spend money. Over time, this consistent activity can trigger Cash App to give you access to the Borrow option. Once unlocked, you can review the loan terms, see repayment details, and decide if it's right for you. Just remember, Cash App loans come with fees, so always read the terms before borrowing. And that's how you unlock the Cash App Borrow feature, by staying active, setting up direct deposit, and keeping your account in good standing. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.